there. So today I'm going to go through very similar to what my last video was and show you how quickly and easily you can do your book publishing, but I'm going to show you how to make book bundles out of the books you've already formatted. So what I'm using in this video is a program called Vellum. If you haven't seen my last video, you should go ahead and check that out. In this video, I'm going to make a bundle in a little under 5 minutes. So if you're interested in learning this technique, go ahead and keep on watching, and I'll make sure to link the first video and our online publishing playlist down below and on the screen. So let's go. So we're going to go back to use Vellum today because it's the easiest way. And we are going to scroll up, File, go to New, bring up a brand new file. Now, in your Finder, you should be able to see where your other books are. And for this bundle, we are using iCreate and yes. We are putting Practical Meditations, which was the last book. Now that one is finished and does have a cover. And the last one is Chakras for Beginners. Again, yes. So, the nice thing is all of your work that you've already done is immediately inputted. So we're going to open up, see with Chakras for Beginners. You've still got your copyright information, you've got your introduction, and everything's there for you. And immediately, we are removing Chapter 1. We are going to remove the title page. And then we are going to put in the book information, which I'm going to go ahead and do now for the bundle. All right, so now that this information's in, now much like in our last video, I don't currently have the ebook cover because we have sent that off to the designer to make a new one. So for now, what you would do is you'd go ahead, hit this, and import your ebook cover. And the next few things are just touching up. We're going to make sure that this shows up in all editions, and then we're going to go add elements. We are adding a copyright, and then we'll go ahead and uncheck the add for Vellum that would go inside, and that's it. So now you have your full book. We're going to reorganize these because this is the organization. First book, second book, third book. All right, so now we're going to be saving this. I'm going to go ahead and make sure to tag it in my system, which made it very easy for me to find the books. And we're going to generate our files. This print version is just going to take a moment to finish generating. Okay, and now we're going to show the files. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you what it looks like as the print book. Open this up. All right, looking good. It's got all of the contents in order so that when somebody sees the book, they'll know exactly what page to go through. And now, again, the one thing you want to keep in mind when you're ordering your book cover, for the print cover for this book, you want this number right here, 384, so that your designer knows how big to make the spine so that the book wraps correctly. But that's going to be all. Again, this was a very quick video because Vellum is a very quick system. I'm going to make sure to link the other video so that if you want like another view of making a single book and how easy that is, because once you have your single book, you've got all of your files. It's really just dragging, dropping, and Vellum does the rest. But that's going to conclude this video today, and good luck!